Hey guys, Brent Sibley, Sibley Dolman Accident Injury Attorneys. Today I wanted to talk about the citation from the police officer that happens after a car crash case and whether or not it matters in your personal injury case. The short answer is yes, it does matter, but it's not the most important thing in the world. Let's talk about that a little bit. Whether or not the police give somebody a citation in a crash is evidence that matters to the insurance company when they're evaluating your case. However, it is not proper evidence that a judge would allow in your personal injury case at trial. And the reason behind that is because the cop, the officer that issues the citation, does not generally witness the accident. He comes to the scene, he might look at the scene, he might talk to the people, and then he just kind of has to make a decision as to who caused the crash. Now, of course, in a rear-end crash, it's pretty obvious. The person rear-ended you, they got a ticket, and they're at fault in the case. But sometimes the police officer doesn't speak to the witnesses. He may have a language barrier, something we see very often, and he does not do the best job at determining really what happened. He just has to make a guess. He talks to the people, and he says, "You're at fault." Now, that's going to make it a little bit harder if the officer gives you a ticket in your case, but by no means does it matter, because as your attorney, the person representing you can go to the insurance company and say, look, that is not true. That cop came afterwards. He made a very bad decision. He did not speak to the witnesses. And if we go to trial in this case, the only thing that the jury is going to be able to listen and watch is the photos, the video of the crash, and the statements from the witnesses. They're not going to even be allowed to see that the fact that the cop gave the person a citation. So at the end of the day, the citation matters in the settlement, and because the insurance company is going to give you a harder time if you got the citation. However, if you were truly not at fault and you can prove it in a trial, then you will be okay and the citation will not matter. So that's a short summary of the citation in a personal injury case and how it could affect your case. This is Brent Sibley, Sibley Dolman Accident Injury Attorneys. Hope you have a great day, and I hope this helps you understand your predicament.